Hello students, let's continue our lesson 2, A Soldier's Son. So I stopped till here, so let me continue here. Yes sir, said the boy with a smart salute. The man could not help smiling although he was grimacingly with the pain of his injuries. He began to crawl away from the boy in the opposite direction. So the boy started to run. Okay. Now this before going, the boy saluted the pilot. So he gave a smart salute. Okay, you know, no small children how they will smartly they will do the salute. So he is saluting the pilot because he is from the army. So for him he is giving a salute. The man could not help smiling although he was grimacing with the pain of his injuries. So grimacing meaning is with a painful face. Okay, he is having such a pain in his leg, he is bleeding. So his face, he can't smile, but he is trying to smile with that pain. So how the face expression will be? It won't be like smiling face, no. So he is having lot of pain, but he is trying to smile. So his face is not in a smiling way, in a pain. He is showing a painful smile. That is called grimacing. Okay. Then after that, this pilot started to crawl in the opposite direction of the boy. Okay, boy is running in one direction. This pilot is crawling because his leg got fractured. So he started to crawl. Crawl means, you know, right? The small babies will crawl, no, by the knee. That is called crawl. Next para. The small figure streaked across the open space back to the trees from which it had emerged. The enemy, however, had seen him. A few of them gave a chase and shot at him. The cartridges fell everywhere around him. The child ran fast and was lost to sight. The enemy gave up and turned their attention to the crawling figure of the pilot. So the small figure means, who is that? The boy. The boy streaked across the open space. Okay, so where the pilot was, he was in an open place. The boy, where he emerged from the cluster of trees. Okay, so from the open space, the boy started to run towards the cluster of trees, towards the forest. Okay, so the enemies had already seen that boy, so they gave a chase and they started shooting at the boy. Okay. So the cartridges means those bullets. The bullets are falling everywhere around the boy. But this boy didn't stop at all. He ran very fast so that they lost the sight of the boy itself in just a few minutes. Then they turned their attention towards the crawling figure. Who is crawling now? The pilot. The pilot who is crawling towards him, the enemy's attention have turned. Now we'll go to the next para. A few minutes later, the little boy stood at the sentry post of the army unit. Take me to the Commander Sahib. There is something I have to deliver to him. The boy he ran so fast. No, in few minutes he went to the sentry post of the army unit. Sentry post means we can say like a check post. Okay. So there are place where the army will stop the people and they will check. So that's called sentry post. So he came to that place and he asked the officer who was there that he should be taken to Commander Sahib. Okay, I have something to deliver to him. He was having the papers from the pilot, so that has to be delivered to the commander. So he is asking the officer to take him to there. Little boy, you cannot go to the Commander Sahib. No, one is allowed to go to his room unless it is very important. So the officer there, he is telling you can't go to Commander Shahib now, because only if it is very very important you will be allowed to meet him. What I have is very important. It is from the pilot whose plane was shot down. Now only this boy is telling, I am having the important papers which the pilot of that plane which was shot down by the enemies, that papers I am having now. That truth, that now only this boy is telling to the officer. You mean the plane that just crashed? A rescue party has gone to look for him. So that officer is telling, are you saying about the plane that got crashed just now? A rescue party. Rescue party means the people who will go and save the pilot. Okay, the pilot is in danger, so he have to be rescued. Rescued means saved. So rescue party have gone to look for him. This officer told to the boy. Now next para. Yes, I had gone there to bring him back to safety. The enemy was after him. He was injured and couldn't walk. He gave me a packet. I must guide the CO to the officer and show him where the enemy lines are. Now the boy is telling to the officer, yes, I have gone there to bring him back to safety. He is telling, I went to the pilot to save him, but I couldn't because the pilot couldn't walk at all. Okay, the enemies were searching for him. So that the pilot gave the packet of papers to the boy. Okay, these words are said by the boy to the officer who was in the sentry post. Okay, then he is telling, I should go to the CO. CO means commanding officer. I should meet him and I should tell that where the enemy lines are. Okay, the enemies were very close to the pilot, no? So that place I know, I will tell the place where the enemies are. Like that the boy told to the officer. The sentry spoke into the field telephone. A sepoy came to the sentry post and took the boy to the Commander Shahib. So from the check post they called to the commander office. So from there a sepoy came and he took the boy to the commander. Then next, who are you and why did you want to see me? The commanding officer asked. So he went and met the commanding officer. He asked the boy, who are you and why you want to meet me? This boy is answering now. My name is Maqbool Butt. My father was awarded a medal for bravery. He died fighting for the nation. My mother and I live here now. I was watching the plane when I heard an anti-aircraft gun fire and saw the plane become unsteady. I saw him fall to the ground. I knew I must save him. The enemy was just a little distance away. I ran to bring him back by a shortcut. When I reached him, I found that he could not walk. He was bleeding profusely. He told me not to worry about him, but to try and get this packet to you and tell you that it must reach Ambala tonight. It is very important. So these words fully said by the boy to the commanding officer. Okay. So he is telling, my name is Maqbool Butt and his father was also a soldier and he was awarded for his bravery. Okay. Then his father died for the nation. Okay. Then he and his mother are living in the same place and today only he watched that the plane was shot by the enemy and the plane how it unsteadily came to the ground. Then the pilot was wounded and he was there. This boy wanted to save him but he couldn't because he was got hurt very badly and bleeding profusely. Profusely mean very what is it, in a abundant. Okay, profusely means in a large amount. The blood was coming out in a large amount. Okay, then the pilot only gave this packet of papers, and he also told that these papers should reach Ambala tonight. Okay, these important papers should reach Ambala tonight. Everything he told to the commanding officer. Son, weren't you afraid of the enemy? Okay, this question was asked by the commanding officer. Let's see how the boy answered. My father told me never to be afraid of the enemy. They can't do anything if our number is not written on the bullet. Okay, he is telling, I'm not afraid of the enemy because unless our number is not written on the bullet, it will not hit me. Okay, like that the boy told to the commanding officer. Good, you are indeed the brave son of a brave soldier. Has the enemy been able to catch the pilot? So the commanding officer appreciated that he was a brave son of a brave soldier, and he also asked the enemies have been able to catch the pilot. I don't know, sir. I couldn't wait to see. I had to carry out my orders first. I know where he fell. I also know where the enemy's lines are. I can guide you to it by a shortcut so that you can intercept them and cut off their retreat. We must go at once, sir. The enemy came on foot. If you take jeeps, you will be able to surround them and catch them. So the boy is telling, I don't know whether they caught the pilot or not because there was no time to see. Pilot have given me a important work, no? So he started to run very fast and he came. So he don't know about the pilot anymore. Then he said, I know where the enemy lines are. Okay, so he know the enemy place. So he is telling, if you come by jeep, okay, the enemies came by walk only. So if the army comes by jeep means we can round up and catch them. Okay, intercept means to make a hindrance. Okay, to stop their progress. And cut off their retreat means going back. Already they came inside, no? So they can't retreat means they can't go back. So we can catch them. Like that the boy told to the commanding officer. Instructions noted. Sir, action will be taken, smiled the commanding officer. So the commanding officer is having a funny way of answering. Instructions noted, sir, action will be taken. As if the boy was a higher officer, he was telling all commands. Okay, he is telling how to go and catch them, where they are, what to do, everything the boy was telling. So the commanding officer, he was making fun. Instruction noted, sir, action will be taken. Like that the commanding officer is making fun and he smiled. Okay children, I'll wind up this video with this. I'll continue the lesson in my next video. Thank you.